Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your InReach Mini to a Garmin watch. And in this video I'll be using a Garmin Forerunner 945, but the methods to do that are almost exactly the same on any of the other Garmin watches that are compatible with the InReach Mini. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is enable the ANT Plus technology on our InReach Mini in order for it to communicate with our watch. So from the home screen of your InReach Mini, select OK. This will bring us to the main menu within our InReach Mini. From here, use the up button to go all the way down in the menu, and then use the OK button to select Setup. Once in Setup, scroll down till we get to ANT Plus, select OK, and then we want to make sure that the status is on. So go ahead and select that, and then go to On, and select On. So now it should be showing on. Now that we've turned on ANT Plus on our InReach Mini, we can go to our watch. We need to open the menu, and we do that by holding the up button on our watch just for a couple seconds. So that will be exactly the same either on a Fenix 6 or a Forerunner 945. From here, scroll down until you get to Sensors and Accessories and select that. So there we go. Once you're in Sensors and Accessories, select Add New. And then in here, scroll down until we get to InReach. Select InReach. So now it's searching for the sensor. As you can see, after just about 10 seconds, it found the InReach Mini. So now I just need to select that InReach on my watch to add it. As you can see, it's now paired with the InReach Mini, so no other steps are required on the InReach Mini, and it's going to add a widget and an item to my control menu on my watch. So if I select down, it'll bring me back to the Sensors and Accessories where I can see the InReach Mini. Now if you scroll up or down from your watch face, you'll eventually get to the InReach widget here, where you can see your messages that have been received or sent. If I select into it, it'll allow me to, at the very top, initiate the SOS function on my InReach. So you want to be very careful with that item. It also allows you to see the battery life of your InReach, which is pretty cool. You can also view messages. So if you've received any text messages or email on your InReach Mini, you'll see it in messages. So I'll select in there. So I have a test email from Garmin. I can select in, and then I can even reply to the message from my watch. So if I select reply, it has pick quick text. These are some of the pre-written ones that they have. So I can select any of these, and if I select it, it'll send it. I can also type a message using the keyboard on the watch, which might take a while, but you could do that if you wanted to. One thing about messages, if you receive a message on your InReach Mini, it'll show up just like a text message would on your watch. So it's very cool. You can also go in here, send a preset message. So they have several of those pre-made. You can also turn on or off tracking on the InReach Mini directly from your watch. All right, so that's how you connect your InReach Mini to a Garmin watch. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin InReach tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.